Number 4 is just a straightforward long division problem, so we'll set it up. So what we're dividing by, that goes on the outside. And then inside I have this whole thing. So that's 4x. Zoom out a little. 4x to the fourth minus 10x cubed plus 2x squared plus 18x minus 3. Alright, so how do we do this? Remember, it's dividing the fronts, then we're going to put the number on top, multiply by everything, and then we switch signs and add straight down. So dividing the fronts here, I have 4x to the fourth divided by 2x. So that's going to be 2, and then x to the fourth divided by x is x to the third. Then I multiply, 2 times 2 is 4, x to the third times x is x to the fourth. And don't forget to distribute to this term also, so 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, x to the third times, well, nothing, it's x to the third. And then we switch both signs and add. So switch both signs and add straight down. So those cancel out. Negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4, x to the third. And I can bring down the rest of them. Or just the next one if you want. It doesn't matter. I'll bring down all of them. So I keep repeating. Now my new front is now negative 4, so I can divide this front divided by this front. So dividing the fronts gives me negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, and then for the x's I get x squared. Multiplying, get negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, x squared times x is x to the third, and then also this term. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, x squared is also there. And then I switch both signs and add straight down. So these cancel out. And I'm left with negative 4 x squared, and these come down also since there's nothing to add to them. And then we do the next front, which is now negative 4 x squared. So dividing the fronts, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2 x. 2 times 2, well, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6 and x. And then we switch both signs and add again. So then I get positive and negative, and I'm left with 12x minus 3. So my new front is now 12x. Divide the fronts, I get 6, multiply, 12x minus 18. Switch both signs and add, and I get a remainder of 15, positive 15. So what do we do with that? We just add it on to the end. Positive 15 over 2x minus 3. And now we can compare our answers. I have 2, negative 2, negative 2, 6, and positive 15. So let's see. 2, nope, negative 2, negative 2, positive 6, and then positive 15. So the answer is C.